Look at my hair. Super cute, super fun, super fresh. Let's get into it. Just doing some basic prep work here. Detangling, blow drying, you know. This is the vision, okay? Just start parting, girl. And then realize that you might not be able to do this the way that you thought you was going to be able to do it. In my mind, a star is a bunch of little triangles connected and separated by little V shapes in between, obtuse angles. You see, we getting somewhere, okay? I tried to make the star as symmetrical as I could. As y'all see, we getting somewhere. This took me forever, y'all, because that star was striking a pose. I could not get it to be symmetrical. It's getting there, but it's not there. I had to switch it up to part the bottom of it. Here I am struggling in the mirror. It's always so hard to part your hair in the mirror. Would you believe me if I said I started over after an hour of doing that star? It wasn't perfect. I'm telling y'all, it's really the parting that's going to take you the longest. Especially if you're doing a design or a special type of parting. It's going to take a minute. Moving on to the back, I wanted to do like a little half star behind my ear. It's nighttime. I'm done and dusted. Let's wake up tomorrow morning, finish it up. Moisturize that scalp, okay, honey? I always use the orange Murrays whenever I'm braiding my hair. It's the truth, the light, the way. I also have that comb with the little tooth on it. Really get in there with that comb and lay everything flat. Section it out, add some gel in between the sections. Smooth that bad boy down. This edge booster gonna get you great every time. Now for the rubber bands, I did have to put 2 rubber bands on this one because it was just a little bit thick. Just make sure you're holding it taut at the base when you add the rubber band. Don't forget to moisturize your hair. I told y'all the parting was the longest part. So basically you just do a 2-strand twist and then twist around the twist until it's tight and in a little knot. Do a little dance when you get finished because it's so cute. Look at that. Oh, look at that. So pretty much we're just going to do that over and over again. 2-strand twist and then twist and then twist. And then separate, add some gel in between. Comb, comb, comb. Rubber band. Twist, twist. And then twist, twist. Again, you're going to add the Murrays to your part. Take that little tooth, or if you don't have the tooth, you can use the rat tail. Get that line crispy, okay? I've literally done my hair since I was 14 and I still struggle to look in the mirror and part my hair. YouTube University pretty much taught me everything that I know. I'm telling y'all, just start. Just try it. There is a learning curve. You're going to be frustrated. You're going to be tired. Look at my face right there. Tired. But in the end, I love doing my hair. I get to do what I want. Have a good old time in the process. Not worry about time or money or someone else's skills and what they can do. Back to the booster. We're doing the edges. We're finishing up the style. You don't need it, but it's very much recommended for a edge brush that has a comb on it. So we're going to go in with that comb and swoop and follow it up with your finger. Look at that. Just swoop, swoop, and then take the brush and finish it up. I am a perfectionist when it comes to doing edges, y'all. Again, just doing that swoop with the comb, following up with my finger, pressing the edges down. Take the edge of my rat tail comb, crisp up some of the swoopies. Here's what she's looking like. Very beautiful, very cutesy. I thought I was out of my mousse, but then I wasn't. I was so excited, y'all. This is the best mousse ever. I love it. Just place a little bit on the edges. Y'all gonna hate me. I do my edges again a second time after the mousse has been put on. You don't have to do this. But if you want your edges to last 3 to 4 days when you're wearing a scarf at night, this is what you need to do. I'm telling you, honey, okay? Listen. Get you some of those paper wraps and then a real scarf. 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Take it off, add some oil to them scalp. And here we are. Here's what it's looking like, girl. Edges laid, parts is crispy. Crispy bacon, baby. I added some belly button rings and some safety pins, as y'all can see. Whole look came together exactly how I wanted it. It took me a long time, but we got there. It's cute. Everybody loved it. Got a million compliments. I hope this helped you. All right, bye.